Hey guys, welcome to this course, The 5 Commandments to Maximal Muscle. And before we start getting into this course, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Tim Ernst, and I'm the founder of TurnaroundFitness.com. And I'm also just recently did a transformation contest, which landed me a spot on the first ever Vince Del Monte Pro Team. You may not know who Vince Del Monte is, but he's pretty big on YouTube. All you have to do is just type his name in. You'll see all kinds of videos from Vince. And I'm actually part of his team. I actually won a transformation contest. There were 60 guys that were in the contest, and he narrowed it down to only 12 guys. He only wanted 12 guys to represent his brand. And here I am today. I've actually was able to lose 22 pounds of fat, build muscle at the same time. And now that I've learned certain methods, I want to go ahead and give them back to you. So I definitely want to give these things to you guys, so that way if you have a desire to want to change your physique, this course is really going to help you. But before we get into this course, I just want to tell you that I myself have a workout program that you can try out. It's 180muscle.com. So just make sure, remember that link, 180muscle.com. And it's a great program if you're looking to do your own transformation. Just like I did my transformation, this program will set you up to get bigger and stronger, lose fat, build muscle at the same time. But if you're someone who's struggling to gain weight, this program will also help you as well. It'll help you to build that lean muscle that everybody desires. Now, what this course is about, it's a very basic course that's going to lay the foundation of what you need to know to start getting in the best shape of your life. So this is for people who are thinking about working out. They're starting to go to the gym, but they're kind of not sure what to do. So this is what this course is going to do. It's just going to lay the foundation, and it'll help you get started in the right direction. So with that being said, there's going to be 2 parts to this lecture. The first part is going to be about how to gain weight and build muscle. The second part will be how to lose fat and build muscle at the same time. So depending on your goals, you're going to want to watch both lectures.